Hey Char and Tim, it's Greg. Finally getting around to making the video of your tiny house. It's about ready to go. I have a few small things to wrap up, as you'll see. But we'll just do a quick walk around. Down there's the drain outlet for the sewer. That's the water inlet. Bath exhaust fan. Exhaust for the water heater. Exhaust for the vent hood. This is the electric panel. That'll be your 50 amp inlet. Right now I have an adapter on there to run an extension cord. But everything's labeled on there. 8 circuits. Trailer front, I got propane. I ordered the wrong regulator. It had a horizontal vent and you need a vertical vent, so I've got to go get that and to wrap up the propane. For the outside, this wall sconce will come off for travel. We'll put it in that box, the original packaging, so it doesn't get hurt. There is an exterior outlet, not much else on the side of the house. Door's open right now, but lock set that you picked. I've got, this is protective floor covering. It'll come up before we get it shipped out. These are all the screens that go up the window. We ship those without because they tend to blow out sometimes, so when the house gets there you'll have to put those in. I'm working on getting the railing fixed, the guardrail here. So that's one of the last things, and these are the posts that'll go for the loft guardrail. Up there they'll mount to the steel and then have some wood slats across like we discussed. Stair storage, fridge. Of course this won't be here, this will be mounted up high once I get that finished. Kitchen area, cabinets, cooktop, sink, outlets, vent hood, little storage above, pendant over the sink. Over here, the laundry box that you asked for, and dedicated outlet down there. This is a little access. There's a sewer vent behind the wall here. If that ever goes bad, you'll need to replace it, so this is a little access for that. And the bathroom. Got the shower, still need to get a good clean. What, that is the shower spot. Little cute sink. Toilet. These little switches on the side of the box covering the water heater, and I'll get a switch plate on those. I got to build a little door, if you want, to cover the water heater and all the guts going to the water heater. You can see there's a lot going on there. I was planning on making a little door to go there. Toilet is in. Window. Outlet. Exhaust fan. I'm going to flip it on real quick. So all the electrical's working and good. Things I have to wrap up. Obviously the stair railing, I need to put a little bit of trim on this cheek wall. Both sides, little trim there. And if you want, I was thinking of adding a little trim on this well bump out. It looks okay, but it could look a little nicer if I wrap these corners in some trim. Otherwise, it's about ready to roll. Pop up the locks and get a better feel. So there's the sleeping space. And if you need to see anything else, just let me know. Thanks.